Welcome to the field of dreams, where all your dreams come true if you sing it and dance it. Field of dreams. It's all in the mind. Just some field, right? What's the big deal? It's where I connect to nature. I sing and share my love for all, and I open up my heart. Start with the heart. Well, mind. Mind to heart, heart to mind, coherence. I like to play out here. Play is the way every single day. Where's your sacred space in nature where you can express, be yourself, be authentic, and share your love, your emotions?